I want to make a video about the lead in, lead out in RDWorks. Okay, this is actually friend looks like you have lead in, lead out, and then you do not have those kind of piercing hole problem. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Let me start a new file. Okay, first thing you should put a view here on this called cut in and cut out bar, which is open this one. Make life much easier. Okay. Then this is the otherwise we'll use this thing, same like here. Okay, so you will open this function will be much easier. It's called cut in and out, not lead in and lead out, but it's just wording difference. So let's importing a file. Okay, let's delete some of those stuff we do not want you use. Okay, so this is the thing. Let's make it dramatically bigger. So first of all, if you select this, because it's grouped, if you do anything, it's nothing happen because you cannot in and out of something that already have in and out. It's in piece and out piece together. You have to ungroup it first. So let's go to the edit, ungroup. Okay, ungroup first, then we select the stuff inside. Inside, we want it. So first cut in and out. There option you can enable it. Same like other software, like length is how long, angle is how far, the type is curve or line. Okay, I normally tick those automatically. It's much easier. So you can see that it's already have the lead in, lead out, but it's the wrong direction. So you can change here. Why is in cut? It means you want to keep inside. Then you want to change it to out cut. So it's gonna make you want to use the outside. Actually, it should be in cut, out cut. Yeah, it's in cut, out cut. I'm a little confused now. Okay, yes, this is right. It's actually in cut, cut inside. Okay, not keep inside, cut inside. So you want to piercing from inside because you want to keep this outside. But anyway, then we check this, do the same thing, cut in and out, we label it, okay it, and it's already have a little bit. So if you check it, it's out cut, so you cut from outside. So that's how it works. You can also preview it. Not preview, show the path first. Let's show the path. For example, it's how it's cutting. You can see the line is gonna come here, then piercing to come back, and go to next one. Next one also piercing, then go cut, come back here. Okay, you can also simulate actually. You simulate this button, simulate. Then you can just simulate, then you can see it's okay, you can change the speed, then make it slower. You can see what's actually it's doing. See, you can see actually it's doing, and then you go out. Okay, then move to the next one. Okay, let's close it. Okay, that's the video about